Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you on how to disable reading mode on Character.AI. This is actually one of the new features since age verification was introduced in Character.AI. Now, to fix this is what you have to know about. Now, the first thing is to disable reading mode on Character.AI, you need to complete the official age verification process because reading mode is automatically applied to accounts identified as under 18. You must prove you are an adult to regain full access. Follow the steps to complete the age verification. To complete age verification, the first thing you have to do is to open your Character.AI or visit the Character.AI website. The next is for you to go to the phone settings, navigate to advanced and click on verify age. Now this is the best way to do it. You just come here. So this is my Character.AI app. I'll click on my profile icon here. Now I'm just going to click on this key icon here. That's the settings icon. So when I open it, I'll click on the advanced here. I already completed my age verification. That is why you cannot find it here. But if you haven't done yours, you're going to see it here. That means I can easily disable my reading mode if I haven't done that, but I have already, so I can't find reading mode. As you can see, there is no reading mode here because I have already completed my age verification. If yours is not completed, you cannot easily disable your reading mode. Now the next step you can take here is to make sure that you have updated your Character.AI, because if you don't update your Character.AI, you'll not be able to get the detailed information or new features that are in this app, because this app has a whole lot of changes since this new update, since they started deleting characters from the app. So if you don't update your app steady, you're not going to have the new features in the app, and it's not going to work very well the way you expect it to. So what you have to do first is to complete your age verification before you're able to disable your reading mode on Character.AI. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop a video on how to complete age verification. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.